Here we are in Myrtus Avenue. It's a quiet cul-de-sac here in Arcadia. Some fruit trees. And take a quick look inside. There's a pool in the backyard. Wait for that. Start with the kitchen, which is remodeled, quartz counters, newer appliances, breakfast dining area. Next to the living room, there's a coat closet. You come in. Here's the first bathroom with a dual vanity, which is nice. And a full tub shower combo. Here's the first bedroom with a door to the den. Here is the second bedroom. Here's the primary bedroom with its own bathroom. This also has a door to the garage, which was converted into a laundry area, and another bedroom here with its own mini split AC system, 2 closets. We're gonna head out to the den. Den. And there is one turf area here and another I'm gonna go through the side. Massive fig tree. So many figs on here. Seating area. Barbecue area. Nice outdoor patio with a pool. Call if you have any questions or if you'd like a showing. My name is Marcus.